The next batch of shipment is coming in from Venice next month. Inaayos ko na rin yung mga papeles.
I'm sorry, Viv, but I have to terminate our contract.
What?
I have to let go of the deal. Yeah.
But why? I mean, sa tingin ko maayos naman ang lahat. At saka hindi ba successful naman ang partnership natin?
I know. But there are things that are far more important than business. At magsasuffer din ito kung itutuloy natin ito.
Are you talking about your relationship with Betsy?
Hindi lang yun. I'm talking about tayo. Hindi lang naman marriage ko ang pinoprotektahan ko, but our friendship as well. I've realized na hanggat hindi kayo lubusang magkakasundo ni Betsy, maiipit lang ako sa gitna. Magkaka-conflict tayo. Mag-aaway kami ni Betsy. That's it.
Hindi naman kasi kailangan umabot pa sa ganito eh. I mean, kung ako lang, kaya ko namang palagpasin ang attitude ni Betsy. The thing is, I don't think Betsy's willing to adjust for us to coexist peacefully in your life.
I'm sorry, Viv. Pasensya ka na.
I'm so disappointed. But I understand and I respect your decision. Hindi mo na rin sana kinailangan sabihin pa na you're protecting our friendship. Because from where I stand, parang si Betsy lang naman ang iniisip mo eh.
No, that's not true. Kaya ko ginagawa to para protektahan kung ano meron tayo. And the truth is, habang patagal ng patagal na magkasama tayo, nahihirapan ako because a big part of me tells me that I still want you. Viv, mali yun. May asawa na ako. At kahit na dumating sa pagsubok, dapat ang asawa ko ang pinaglalaban ko.
Life is so unfair, isn't it? Bessie doesn't even deserve you. I hope hindi ka nagkamali sa desisyon mo na siya ang mahalin at pangatawanan mo.